Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. What I've got for you now is Fox's favourite crunchy cream sticky toffee pudding. It's the only video for today, apart from on my other channel, James Higgins Other Worlds, which I've just uploaded glimpses of Other Worlds, episode 1, so check that out as well, and subscribe to it. Right, let's go. Seasonal edition. Sticky toffee pudding. Right. Oh. One second. Well, what can I say about that? You know, my mark is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 with gold starting off the chart. Disaster, to be honest. Tastes absolutely nothing like sticky toffee pudding. Zero. No taste of sticky toffee pudding whatsoever. Just tastes like a normal crunch cream. I think I got these from Home Bargains. We're going to give it, it says seasonal edition. It must have been what's left over from Christmas. Right. 3 out of 10. Yes, you heard me right, it's a 3 out of 10. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one.